Now tell me what is inside this glass? Nothing. Okay, now we will check whether it is something or not. We will dip this inside the water. Now see what happened? The water comes up to the water level. Yes, this is the water level mark. It comes up, it means something is inside it. Yes?
Yes.
Which is not allowing the water to go inside the glass. Yes? Okay, now we see with the, if we put a boat in the water, it will float. Yes?
Yes.
Now see if we put glass in. Now what happens? It go inside the water?
Yes.
Now we take out the glass. It's again floating? But if we dip it inside the water, what happens? The boat get wet? Yes? So what does it say? It means that there is something inside the glass. Yes? And what is that? That is air. What is that?
Air.
Air. Understand?